everybody, this is Brandon. I'm with Mountains to Sound Home Inspection. I'm here with Marissa Beach of Berkshire Hathaway. She's been a top producing agent with us for many years, and I just wanted to ask a couple questions about her experience with Mountains to Sound Home Inspection.
So there are basically three things that I love about Mountains to Home Inspection. One is the fact that you can schedule the inspections online, makes it super easy. The second thing is that they also do sewer scopes. So a lot of agents, we have trouble coordinating home inspection companies along with the sewer scope for the same day if the company doesn't offer that. So it makes it really easy and simple to schedule whatever package that you want. And then again, including the sewer scope. And lastly, just the communication and customer service is really stellar. It's easy to pick up the phone and call, or just log in online and figure out the scheduling. So I love those things, and I love the reports. It makes it easy for the clients to read, and I love Mountains to Sound.